I didn't started in Santa Monica actually. I started from Las Vegas, drove to Santa Barbara to cool down for a little, and then from Santa Barbara I started driving here. But if you're gonna do Santa Monica, you go Los Angeles there, and then here's the Flagstaff, which I love too. And then Albuquerque, where I did the Breaking Bad, and where I had, look at mine, yeah. Where, you know, the Breaking Bad filming locations I did, and I passed by Santa Fe, and then I dropped by Amarillo, the Cadillac Ranch. I slept in Oklahoma City, didn't vlog much there. And then today I started in Tulsa, met a lot of great people, and now I am in Joplin. Alright guys, we are here in Joplin, Missouri. We are now on the main street, and let's go out. You can see, OMG, that is so hot. So you can see in front is the Joplin City Hall, and here in front is Frisco Station, 605 South Main Street. It has this old town vibe in it. Like, buildings are mainly made of bricks, and yeah, it's mainly, look at that. And then you have let's walk there. I saw a mural there. Wow, it's hot in here, but I love that vibe of an old town vibe, you know, like buildings are made of bricks. And walking through this downtown, actually, is it Joplin or Joplin? It's actually impossible not to feel the energy of, you know, the historic Route 66. It's actually like, yeah, it's pulsing on the street. Let's walk around here. Route 66, Joplin, Missouri. And all right, look at that. Wow. This mural park explodes a massive different colors. They transform bricks into a concrete canvas. Look at that bricks. Like one by one, they constructed a whole blank canvas here. It's like an American nostalgia, you know. You have Santa Monica, Los Angeles, Flagstaff, Santa Fe, Albuquerque, Santa Fe, Amarillo, Oklahoma City, which we were there yesterday, and in Tulsa, and now Joplin, and last destination would be the St. Louis, Missouri, and Springfield. Wow. Look at that, guys. This massive tile murals tell stories of travelers long before me. Chromed, polished cars, neon signs, and that end ribbon of the highway stretching from Chicago to Santa Monica. Here, the Chicago to Santa Monica. The air carries a mix of small town warmth and road trip adventure, right? And actually, it's not just that. There's another one here. Nice. I love this small town warm and road trip adventure actually. Jasper. Look at that, guys. It's literally like tiles and made it like canvas, like a mural. Work mural. It's another mural. Creative. Look at those gems, diamonds. Looks like a mining company or a mining mural here, painting. Wow. Let's try to hop in the Corvette. Let's try to hop in the Corvette and actually take picture. Nice, I love that. Very historic. I think along the way here, I saw another mural here, but it's not tiled mural. I think it's from an artist, you know, just here. Let's walk. Let's go in. It's basically also a brick canvas, like a canvas made of bricks. And look how beautiful that is. I wanna start from there before going back to the car so I can enjoy it. I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna walk slowly so you guys can interpret it on your own, and feel free to comment down below how do you interpret this art. celebrating the performing arts of Joplin by Garen Baker 2014. Okay, telling the story of downtown performing arts 1890s to 1930s, commissioned by Joplin Area Chamber of Commerce Cultural Affairs Committee. Wow, guys, that was so interesting. So what's your interpretation? Well, it says there, so those are the performers since 19 something something to 19 something something. So yeah. There's Italian restaurant there. And yeah. That bike. Look at that bike, guys. Nice. Here's my car. There. Say it again. I'm good. Thank you, actually. Thank you. They're asking if I needed water, actually. Oh, wow. How old is that perfume? Wait, is that really perfume or alcohol? Wow. Wait, are they open or closed? No. Oh, it's the City Hall. Okay. Joplin City Hall. And it's closed. It's Sunday. Wow. That's why, like, there was a couple in a pickup truck asking me if I need some ice. I don't know if it's for sale or for free, but look, I got ice here. So, guys, we are continuing my trip, and it's Springfield, Missouri. Okay, let's do that. Let's put that on the address. Get driving direction. I did a very long drive yesterday. I think I was on the road for 16 hours. And now, yeah, it's an hour drive from here. Cool. So yeah, it's total of 4 hours drive. So yeah, I have more time. If I will arrive at 7 p.m. there, I have more time to rest because yesterday I drove I was on the road for 16 hours. Combination of driving, which is 8.5 hours, plus, you know, content creating in Tucumcari, Amarillo, Texas, and 3 or 4 locations in Albuquerque, Mexico, Breaking Bad filming set, and Better Call Saul. And yeah, you guys should watch that episode prior to this. It was fun. I had this conversation. I thought I'm gonna die because the guy was crazy, pulled out a hammer. I thought he's gonna hurt me, but good thing nothing happened. And yeah, so okay guys, let's go. Thank you for being here. And yeah, let's go driving. Let's continue driving, guys. Thank you. But for $88 a night. Look how beautiful that is. Bathtub, big mirror, another mirror here, dressing area, and then it's connected. And I got 2 beds here and television here, office area. Good thing I have microwave and fridge. I gotta share. So for $88, it's so worth it. They have a pool and it's only 7, and they're, you know, the sun is still not yet setting. So I'm not sure if I want to go in the pool later or I'll just stay here. It's 7 o'clock maybe, so I can wake up early around 7 a.m. So such a beautiful room for $88. Oh, and by the way, breakfast is also included on that. 7 a.m. to 8 to 9 a.m. 7 to 9. Free parking. So what else can you ask for? Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being with me, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Please, please, please give it a like. Comment down below so YouTube will, you know, that would help me for YouTube to put me an algorithm, and I'd love to create more stories for you guys. I think this is the thing that I want to do. I'm full-hearted here, don't worry guys. Sometimes it may take time to edit, but definitely I'd like to upload at least once a week. But once I go home in Las Vegas, I will be editing every day. And don't forget to watch my Slab City series. And thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you all. If you have any questions, suggestions, where you want me to go, but on my bucket list again, I'm telling you, is Alaska and maybe Hawaii, somewhere very, you know, remote places. Let me know. Or if you guys living in the northern part of California, I also want to visit the Humboldt country. You know, I want to hear the story of people growing marijuana pre and post legalization, you know, before it became legal. So thank you guys so much, and see you on the next video.